and tell me on all of your cheap beer. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, raging. I feel the beat, making me all dark. Just 'cause of your love remind me of when you keep me thinking, darling, on my head. Oh, just 'cause of your love, you leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. You like my heart and you play it with a beat. Baby, I'm sorry to be true. I wanna be what I'm gonna make you regret. Think of me, then text all your despair. Making your own and do as my job won't be shared. Just 'cause
Hello, are you ready? Serial number 1. Nahin khuahi mi khat nakilan di hele. Najipa nakilan daham ahilaw le nen sumite nakilan daham.
Kapa
Napa nakilan tu ipija nakilan ham.
aji joman kanewa pana aina chinjing hin aman kanewa pana dam moha sayong aina vet hin aman ka le khasim ipiyong le ka boy na ai pan pi jing hi kakipe.
The question goes like this. Why is beauty contest important? Ipizia hoy kitet hi pha aham.
Hoi kite na hi apoi moi na ji chu no me ho hi ahoi nau zong ata asaw hong aso win chule a figure hoi nau zong akim mudo in chule itilang panga amelo hoi ham chule bon iti ki bon leo hoi ham chu akim mudo in hi ki pa e.
KYA has been established in 1971. You know it, I think. But in what purpose? Haibdi, aina hainingidi KYA haiba Kaitel Mambi Youth Association haibse Youth Kaitel Mambi Youth Association haiba association se akoi 1971 dagi akoi establish tawreba ko adubu madugi establish tawreba se laikai gi chaukhana widong ta tawreba karamba gi mawang da karamba purpose ta tawreba du
Namang kitopi la kiwazia. Kile. Iko sunga zong sam na umzia hi ki pa e.
Next. Ale Kaitel Mambi ho hi eking tlang midinga. Kholien pen he etibin na tulai energy sto boilai to wa. I atile eking tlang midinga in zagu valom lom iti chen khom tin ha.
Lung kito te ta ki chen hi phung za za ki chen hi zong le lung kito ta ki the aji ding le aji chu hi le khosunga ki bang banga ki khom hi jing ni ki ngai lu na omin
Pilot tu contestants tam kita air hostess kahi nominati winna.
yes sir
Pilot nahi nomam airo le air hostess nahi nomam aji EPM.
first day hi alem ni me ta asalama ke fitnen chile ni me za kha yong ki hi in air hostess ka dei na hi tu to ang ho khu sung weng sunga koi ma cha air hostess sum lo zen ke ma chi air hostess ka dei in chong le chi air hostess ka dei na hi ni me za na chule ta asa fit na nam chule ni me hoi na ki la zen ka dei hi ka ki pa e
Next. KYA Miss Contest na zao to Miss Lalitun ipinabol to them.
I would like to thank God first of all for having given me the opportunity, and I would thank my ward members for believing me and granting me to join this, and I would also like to thank my mom and dad for having granted me permission to join this pageant as well. And I hope that I can become a sense of inspiration to the youngsters of this village, so that this village might be known as not the Keitelmanbi, but the Keitelmanbi where the land of the beauty queens live. Thank you.
Ti bolen la hele society khada khom thei di khom ego cookie society khada khom thei don EP ki bol le.
If there is peace and affectionate between the people here, there will be we can make a progress in the society. And even if if we live with peace and love one another and respect one another, there will be a growth in the society, and there will be oneness and unity, and even it will be helpful for the children for their further education, and so that
Ahile ipawan ahile Keitelmanbi ahi nunga mel hoi tam ta na umvin ipizi a Keitelmanbi nunga ohi na hoi thei ipizi ahi tilom lo ma na hoi ham
Kegel dingin kitungai to jia hoi
tôi xin độ nông trường đi lẽ lấy sự cho người hiến gì đó na cha ki ka amel hoi zo koi zo na ki Jerusalem na gì na Jerusalem mel hoi la ngai lo na cha zo cho mel hoi dinga na de
ja ka ta zo hoi ja hi
Laikai asida nang kari karamba waktu pam.
cái mà chụp băng cái hiền, mà bố thì giống cái này buồn thì giống lệ, cái gió không không mau, cái pan thì chân cái pan đinh ở hi.
If ever she stand a chance to win the title of Miss Cap.
I can see your crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me on all of your sheep hair. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching out here, but you're making me all dark. Just 'cause of your love, remind me of all they keep me thinking that we almost had it all. Just 'cause of your love, you leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. You had my heart inside. And you played it with a beat. Baby, I'm sorry to be true. I wanna be what I'm gonna lay your head down. Think of me, then that's all your despair. Making a home and there as my job only share. Just 'cause of your love, remind me of all they keep me thinking that we almost had it all. Just 'cause of your love, you leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all.
Vamos a la voz, Miguel.
You had my heart inside.
Ama wala eh, 5 minutes kung blending, 5 minutes. Do you have any guess? Miss Beautiful Eyes goes to Miss Tampik Israel number 7. Miss Catwalk. It's none other than Miss Vainun Hoi from ward number 7. It goes to Lene Kim from ward number 5. From ward number 2, Lene Kim. Beautiful skin goes to Lene Kim. This is for Miss Perfect Figure that goes to Kim Choi Hoi from ward number 1. As I have been telling all the contenders not to imitate anyone, just to go on creating their own style. We have someone who really has a guts and a personality. Miss Personality goes to Han Hoi Hing. There's someone totally different amidst the contenders, a DJ. And then this is Miss Talented Kim Hoi Sing, Tip Gang. Miss Talented.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me I'm all of your secret. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart.
Guys, don't you think that she looks like Naomi Campbell? The most famous model.
Baby, I'm no sorry to be true. I wanna go down.
Queen for tonight. Fashion Queen goes to Holiday Theme Kip Gan. Right after this, I would like to call Jimmy Loon, Dong Doi to come and announce. She's really good to each and every contenders. There is Miss Congeniality. And Miss Congeniality goes to Ning Hoi Kim Sing Sun from ward number 6.
ale phun do na ni tau te Miss KMC second runners up goes to Sarah number 6. Miss KMC first runners up goes to Sarah number 14.
We could have had it all. You have no other side. And you say we could have had it
Miss KMC 2000